qualities and characteristics of an entrepreneur. So, talking about attributes, qualities, and characteristics of an entrepreneur, we will know the personality traits of an entrepreneur. But before that, we will know the spontaneous response of an individual who an entrepreneur is that. So the first response is he is an individual or a person who owns and manages his own business and is engaged in selling. So for example, muli siya makita na to ng mga vendor. So di ba nag-make sila kanang own nila na kanang recipe na ilang ibaligya, which is to engage in selling. So the second response is a middleman who stands between buyer and seller. So, like for example, na upalit ka ng bundle na ukay-ukay. So, ipalit mo siya, which imo pong ibaligya. Okay. So, the next one is, he is one who takes risk and makes innovation on the factors of production and an adventurer, undertaker, and purchaser. So, kini siya na entrepreneur kay he is the one who innovates na og kanang new mga products. And the next one is his function is to supply and accumulate capital. So, like for example, maka-observe mo diba na ay business na kanang fish pan. So, for example, kana na asset mo, invest ka anag kanang kwarta, which kanang imong i-invest na kwarta, mag-generate mo na siya of return. And the next one is he is an innovator who does new things or does things in a new way. So like for akong di mo na kanang he only not focus in one product. Nagkuhan mo siya na think mo siya new product para mo mag-bloom pang yang business. And the next one is he supplies new products, makes new techniques of production, discovers new markets and develop new sources of raw materials. And he always searches for change and responds to it and exploit it as an opportunity. So, kini po siya na entrepreneur kay nag-search po siya mga new things na unsay ka ng mga change sa imo ang kuan, dili lang siya mag-focus po siya kanang kini lang kong ibaligya. So, nagkuan po siya kung unsay ka ng ubang product na kanang kuan po siya, mahalin po siya. Nagipakita po sa mga tao. And the next one is, he is one who shifts economic resources from an area of lower productivity to an area of higher productivity and greater yield. A person who organizes, operates, and assumes that risk for business ventures. Entrepreneurs develop scarce resources into successful business by their instinct for opportunities, sense of timing, hard work, and idea producing activity. They accelerate the development of our economy. So like for example, when it comes to business, dapat na nasa imo ang self na how to organize kung asan mo na siya ibutang na business kung like na yung mga event, like for example, mga election. So unsa may halinon sa mga election? Ay sa election. Hindi. Ay dili ka na sir. Ang most kanang kuan sa mga tarpaulin, kanang mga giveaways dun sa mga t-shirt. Which na kuan mo. Wala siya ang Wi-Fi. Kanang mga na ibutang na dito ang naw sa kanang sa mayor. And lastly, finally, entrepreneurs are people who have the ability to see and evaluate business opportunities, to gather the necessary resources, and to take advantage of them, and to initiate appropriate action to ensure success. So, as an entrepreneur, so kabalo jud ka kung unsay bagay na business na katungkol sa mga tao to create a success in your business. Now, since we already know the mga spontaneous response of an individual, so now let's proceed to the different attributes of an entrepreneur. We have here first one, self-awareness. He knows who he is, what he is good at, and likes to do is start a business that is based on his expertise in a specific field and focuses on his involvement in an area he thoroughly enjoys. So, like for example, when starting or building a business, dapat kabalo naka-experience So, like for example, graduate ka PSIT. So, kung may ka ng good opportunity na himuong business kung graduate ka ba? Yes, very good. Naiba ba na idea? So, like for example, sa ako ang igsoon na siya business. Graduate siya PSIT. So, nakuha na siya karon business. Mana na siya 4 branches of shop. So, ang pinakakuha na kanang iyang knowledge good sa kuan, ang iyang experience kay graduate siya PSIT, gi-apply niya siyang business, which is kanang ang kuan siyang kuan kay paprenta printing services. Not only you only nag-focus on kanang mga tarpaulin, tapos siya mga calendar, frame, then mag-usap din mo siya mga t-shirt. And the next one is self-motivated. This is the characteristic that gets him going and keeps him moving when he is in business. It is what helps him keep on learning how to scrap items, upgrading his technical skills, or developing new and improved professional techniques when business is slow. This is what can give him honesty and confidence to call on a potential client even though he has heard no 3 times. So like for example, you are kanang kuan ba, gikan mo ka sa kanang pupuri na kanang pamilya, which is na-motivate na kanang kini gusto yun ako ni mga kanang ma-success niya akong business kay para makatapang ko sa akong pamilya. And by kanang kuan, kung gusto yun mo ipato ang iyong business, ang nindot kay magkuan kag technique. So like for example, na ay magpa-full supply mo na t-shirt niya, ang kuan, each sa t-shirt kay kuan ang 500. So, kung ang magpapusap din mo kay 80 plus, so, aron ka ng ganahan ang customer magbalik-balik sa imuha sila tagaan ng discount. Instead na 500 na i-post-up niya t-shirt, 400 nimo. So, mo na siya ang one discount. And also po, kung ma-observe niyo yung business kay nag-one slow na, gamay na ang kanang kita. So, ang nindot ko na karon kay since we have kuan technology, social media, kay ipa-promote nimo sa mga kuan di ba nakabantay mo ng mga mga CEO kana mga skincare, di ba ilang pangwaon ng mga sikat na vlogger para i-promote ang ilang product. So, mao po na ay other techniques of business. And the next one is courage. Courage or willingness to take risks is a valuable trait when striving for success. A successful person might say something like, I don't know how I did it. I just made a phone call and asked for money. I need it. It was more than luck that made it possible for this person to raise the needed capital to get the business off the ground. It was the willingness to take a chance and hope for positive response to their request. So, like for example, na-observe niyo na ang customer, kung nagtiman siya na kanang, like for example, yung kanang sa business ng tarpaulin, mas gusto siya, kanang gamay naman na siya, mas gusto siya, namay mas nakuha ni. So, ang ako kung nakuha nakuha, nakita na ako kay ang business akong kuya. So, na-observe niya, gusto ko magdanang work, nakuha tayo na tarpaulin. So, ang yan ibuhat kay, work installment na siya ba, na siya kanang supplier dito sa Cagayan, ulang installment siya ba, may kuha siya kanang takipin makinamit na, orano, kadakta, sa kanyan, na. O, kay, makakuha na siya, makamit na ito ng dako kay na tarpaulin. Ito mong na-election, itong dako kay tarpaulin, kaya niya itong mabuhat niya. So, muna ang one way po na kuha na, ang iya po kayo supplier, kung nagkailan na kayo ba, kay good year mo po siya. Ang tawag na word installment sa kanang makina. And the next one is confidence. So, mo ang pinaka-importante na personality traits of an entrepreneur, confidence. So, the age-old philosophy of positive thinking is a major step in direction of success. By behaving as if one already is a success at what he does, it follows that he will be and his customers will believe it too. A confident attitude is one of the most appealing traits he exhibits to prospective clients, for its because of positive thinking. So, ang pinaka-importante ka sa when handling or kanang starting a business kay ang confidence. Kay without confidence, unsa man ang kanang mabaliya ka lang palit na mo mag-ana. So dapat yung confidence ka and you know how to interact with other people and then how you know how to communicate. So that's what we call confidence. So confidence kung kana kining imo ang baligya is kanang quality. Nindot siya pagkabuhat. So that's what ang example of confidence. And the next one is so di po mo makuha ang confidence without positive thinkers. So entrepreneurs are positive thinkers. They think of success and bright side, such as success consciousness leads entrepreneurs to success. Success begets success. So according to Dr. Charles Corey, a noted American psychologist, said that wealth does not always come to the most intelligent or the most ambitious individual, but to those individuals who make money. So, kung isa ka businessman o businesswoman, dapat kanang if imong business kay naana siya problems, dapat dili ka mag-think na yung negative. Dapat mag-think sa positive na magkuhan ka aking business, ay pinakang problems dapat masolusyonan ako ni. Dili kay mag-think ka negative na kung isa na nila ito masumpuan, malugi na ako, mabankrupt na. So, dapat you think positive. And according to Dr. Charles Corey, so iyang ingon, ang business dili na siya magkam sa kuwantal, bright ba ka, kung laude ka graduate, dili siya magkam sa anak or sa kanang ambitious individuals. But to those individuals who think money. Like sa ingon ni, ma'am, nga business man ka, because you think money. So, wala na siya nag-base na kanang unsa ka kanang right kung ka or gusto ko kung ka basta you know how to plan or organize your own business. And the next one is patience. When one owns his business, there will be times when he feels like the roof is caving in. Especially when the suppliers tend to be taking their own sweet time in fulfilling an important order or when a customer's demand seems to be unrealistic. Although he may be able to hurry the supplier along, he must remember that his customers are always right since they are the ones who will make or break in business. So, di ba makakita na makakuha sa siya ng na customer is always And the next one is knowledge. So, your experience is not useful when you don't have knowledge sa imuang experience. So, experience in one's field is invaluable, but it is not enough. O, like her na, ang experience is not enough. So, one has a better chance of succeeding by knowing as much as possible about factors such as business basics, the products or service that we want to sell, the industry is entering, its competitions, and the local, regional, state, or the national market. So, dapat na yung kay knowledge na kung kanang business na imo ang isulod, dapat kabalo yung na not only local ang imo ang kalaban, but also the regional, state, or the national markets. So, that's the end of my part, and my co-reporter will continue the discussion.
Okay, once again, good afternoon, classmates. Since Ms. Villas has already discussed the first 9 attributes, qualities, and characteristics of an entrepreneur, now let's proceed to the other 9 attributes, qualities, and characteristics of an entrepreneur. So first, we have the information seeking. So, kindly everybody please read.
To ensure accomplishment of his entrepreneurial goals, the entrepreneur continuously seeks for relevant information regarding the market, clients, suppliers, and competitors, and consults experts' advice on business and other technical matters.
So, information seeking. So, it is very important, being an entrepreneur, na magposisi ka sa mga bagay na mga steps mo na tinitake. So, being an entrepreneur or business owner, you need to do research on what are the clients na kinahanglan sa mga tao, nga mapatok sa mga tao para mo-grow ang inyong business. So, by seeking information, like for example sa online, pwede ka magmutana sa mga mamalitay kung sa ilang mga preferred na paliton para makuha mo siya, mapunti mo sa imo ang mind nga, kanina ilang ganahan, muna makukuha mo i-grab na opportunity para kuhaan ka na grow ang iyong business. And also, sa mga suppliers at competitors, like for example, yung competitors is, na maligya sila o kanana, ano itong parana? Para mo hugot ang iyong sayal. Dili, or dili. Design nga mas ganahan ang mga tao. So, imo is ibutangan nimo siya og mga flower bakaha, butterfly, and everything nga tindot tanawon sa mga buwan. So, in that way, madaghan nimong halin o ang katong imong competitors is mas malabuan nimo siya kay mas nice ang imong design. So, next we have perseverance. One of the one will hear time and again when taking to entrepreneurs is that perseverance is 90% of the battle to succeed. So what is perseverance? Kim, do you have any idea what is perseverance? Miss Kimberly Baliho, do you have any idea what is perseverance?
Perseverance means you are determined to be successful. You do something, you exert effort, or you become persistent with what you want.
Okay, thank you. Please give 3 claps for Miss Vallejo. So perseverance means the quality of continuing your goals or your tasks to accomplish your kanang mga goal o gusto nimo nga maabot. Once kuan ka kanang business owner, kanang kinahanglan nga dili ka ma-down dayon the result. Like for example, na-fail ang imo ang product dayon. Wala na kagana. Like for example sa kanang pag-affiliate. So we all know that ang affiliate is nagpud na siya income, pero magdepende ko na siya kung kanang ang imong mga bit, kung daghan o kung palit sa imo ha. Then, like for example, affiliate ka rin. First kanang sana dili ka mo stop dayon kay dili man magic ang kanang business niya mo. Grow dayon siya. Kinahanglan pa siya og kanang time, mag-take back out time, mag-take back out mga many failures to achieve your goal. So, dili ka dapat mo undang, but mo siyang i-improve pa para kung mag-effort ka sa imong mga video, like for example ka lang, ang uban gani is halos mo wala ang TikTok pero kuan siya ma-prove nga kanang nga product is kuan na siya ma-effective. So, being an business owner, so dili ta dapat kanang stop. Malayo lang hapon ta guys. Bahala kag may lang ato earning. So, nakabutang 3 is it has been written that through perseverance the snail reached the ark. So it is with success. So even though the snail is slow but determined siya nga abot niya na ang iyang goal nga mabot siya sa finish line. So pag abot siya sa finish line is success siya kay one man nagkuhan mo siyang effort na kung siyang effort para exert kung effort para maabot siya na nga or ma-success siya. So next we have drive. One must believe in his goal and be determined to succeed. The successful business person does not view obstacles or stumbling blocks as problems, but rather as challenges. So, unsa man ang drive? Anong naabot? Why is it that drive is involved siya sa mga attributes, qualities, and characteristics of an entrepreneur? Okay, kanang Saberon? Do you have any idea? Kuan kanang example kanang kuan kanang driver kanang kuan for example kanang kuan ka driver ka ay kuan ka sa ay kanang deliver lang ay, ikaw magbuhat sa okay, thank you so much, Miss Cameron. Miss Kimberly?
Okay, so drive has connections with being an entrepreneur. Why? Just come to think of it as a driver. When you're trying to drive into a road or it's a boundary road, of course, it's not easy to drive. It's not easy to maneuver, to manipulate the people that drive. Really siya dali, but if you keep on moving, of course, you will go to the destinations that you want to go. So just like a business, it's like you are the driver and you need to take a step where there's a lot of obstacles that you need to pass. So, muna siya, kung as an entrepreneur, wala ka nagbase sa unsa man ang kalisod, but you need to drive on as long as kaya mo maneuver. So, ano lang, ang business, aside from that, after any obstacles, makaya mo, successful ka, then you're a cycle.
Okay, thank you so much, Miss Malia. Let's see for so Miss Malia's answer is, I don't know, correct. Sama sa example, isa ka ka-driver sa inyong business. So, ikaw magdala ka na sa inyong mga employees, kung sabon pa ng mga plans para ma-success ang inyong business. So, pag ikaw driver, dayon kanang gusto ka mo success, di madala mo nito na imong mga employees sa imong pag-grow kay it's like driving a car nga na kay mga pasahero din. Wala nimo na gampanan ang imong role as a driver. So, dayon as a driver ka na kuan ka dili kay ka mapanik, dili kay ka ma-down, dili imong mga employees o imong mga passengers maapil sila og ka down sa Ikaw may nagdala sa kanang nag-control sa inyong business or sa currency. So next we have risk taking. Entrepreneurs are known for being risk takers. They prefer tasks which provide them some challenges. They are not afraid to take risks. So kung dili ta kung mahadlok sa mo take of risk, dili ta matawag ng entrepreneur kay nagabutang man rin nga they are not afraid to take risk. So being an entrepreneur. Okay, so next we have risk taking. Entrepreneurs are known for being risk takers. They prefer tasks which provides them some challenges. They are not afraid to take risks. So entrepreneurs known for being risk takers, but they don't take risk if kanang kabalo sila nga kana siya nga product is dili siya grow. So they calculated it first before they take that risk para di ko nasayang ang ilahan kanang effort. So next we have innovative. Entrepreneurs are creative. They do things in new and different ways. So innovative, entrepreneurs or business owners, they are very creative in terms of business or like promoting a product. Like for example, nag-buy ka o ka na ang bundle nga t-shirt which is bundle nga t-shirt. Then, pag abili mo is, daghan siya og mga one is the kubana, murag na siya kabutan ng drugs. But as an entrepreneur, dili ka mag-goal kay makating makaglayan nga na ang ways para saan ko siya nga mabaligya pa. Then nakita mo na sa TikTok na kanang glitching nga kanang mag-drawing dito sila gamit ang glitch nga kanang black color nga t-shirt din ang drawingan gamit ang like Zotrox para even though kanang kuwan ko siya kanang hindi na siya magamit ato nga ayaw mong i-order is feeling mo hindi siya magamit but nakating ka og another idea para mahalin ko siya which is mo siyang drawingan using bleach. So next we have opportunity seeking. An entrepreneur readily identifies opportunities for going into or grow his business. Like for example, ang inyong business is kanang nabaligyan mo pigs. Dayon, nakabalo ka or nakabalita ka or nakabalitis ka dito sa unahan sa nga atong mga lugar is naghan sila og kanang mga baboyan but kayo sila og kanang palitan ng pigs. So, imo siya gitake nga opportunity para dito mo grow ang imuhang business kay mas daghan man dito ang yung baboy kaysa sa inyong gikuan. So, kana na yung opportunity ina siya na tanawon kung mo daghan pag kung kuwan pa siya kung improve ba yung business dito or hindi. So next we have demand for efficiency and quality. Setting high materialistic standards of excellence for himself, he finds it difficult to compromise on those standards. So demand for efficiency and quality. Like for example, naligya ka o ka na ang okay, bag. So, I feel long kuha na ka sa tuwa ka na online. So, pagtanong ko sa picture, wow, may kayo. Mamahalin, dili yung batuhon. Pero ang niyang price is lower na siya. Hindi mo ka na ka nga, pumalit ko ani kay Milo. Kunya, pag ako sa product is, kuha na rin ito ka lang, oras ako sa halina nga kita. Dayon, kuha na, dili mo bro ang ibang business kay mag-rate mo sila mga star nga, one star nga, o makatag sila feedback nga maon. So, dili siya mo bro. So, dapat kung punta o business or mga product, kailangan mo niya good quality para mas maganahan ko na mga tao magpalit. Kung pag sige balik-balik ko, diha na bro ang business. Then next is systematic planning and monitoring. As a careful planner, the entrepreneur sets what are to be accomplished and meticulously assesses how today's activity can contribute to the accomplishment of his long-term goal. So as an entrepreneur, you need to plan what are the things you need to take or what are the steps that you need to do next. Because karang hindi mo siya maganakuha ka ng company pagkatapos nila. So maka-benefit ko ng mga employees. But, inanak ka nga ako or ang entrepreneur kayo maapektahan mo lang yung mga employees. So next, we have the persuasion and networking. A persuasive person, the entrepreneur easily establishes a network or personal and business contacts around him. So being an entrepreneur, it is very important na maayo ka ma-persuade sa ikuhang mga kamalintay para mahalal ka. Una pa itong yung mag-persuade ka og mga mamalitay o mga magitulos ka o ka ng product na legit or parang ka na mamalit, and then they will mag-work ka mag-call ka ng mga influencer nga mag-model ng product para nila ang kanang product is legit and good quality. So that's all about attributes, qualities, and characteristics of an entrepreneur. Do you have any questions?
None.